Hello everyone, my name is Prezi Salazar. I'm registered in the 7th semester of degree in English as a foreign language in the UNAP. In this case, in the Material Designs for Virtual Environments course. I'm going to need to cut this video because this tool just let me record 15 minutes, okay? Okay. I'm developing this video to show you how to use the tool called Prezi. The first that we should do is to look for it in the browser, www.prezi.com. You have to create an account. You can create it with the Facebook or Google account or individual account with Prezi. Okay, this is the first page that this tool show you. Then, if you can see here, there are some presentation that I have already created. In this part, you can create a new folder if you want to keep 1, 2, or 3 presentation in the same folder. Okay. Click in new template. In this part you can get different kind of templates, beautiful templates, beautiful templates. But in our case, we are going to use a blank page. Click in blank page. Click and use to this template. In this part, you can put a title. Okay, how you can see, I already create a title. Then in this part, you choose to select any one of the web for say who can see this presentation, or be public for partners and teacher can see it. Click on continue. Okay, in this part they show our slides. In this part we can put our title. We can put, for example, the same title. Wait a minute. In this title, also title on in all the tests, you can use the function. For example, if you take this title, you can use the function color or font, background color. For example, you can put a green color, italic, bold, increase the size, decrease the size, or kind of font. You can change the font here. For example, here. Ready. And we decide with the subtitle design. Okay, now we are in the proper content. Double click on it. You can put a title and a description. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, how you can see, I put a new title and a brief description about what Prezi is. Yeah, we can say Prezi is an excellent tool for create presentation, which you can show different topics in an interesting way. Now, for insert an image, you click in insert image, and in this side you have some free image and others that are locked. It's because you should pay for this. You can add this image. The other way that you can insert an image is in this button. It's in the bottom, and when you click on it, automatically the system goes for your document in your PC. Okay, For example, you want to insert this image. You can modify the image or move for where you want. Ready? Now, this is the topic and this is the subtopic. If you want to create a new subtopic, you should click in subtopic here, and automatically he create one new. You can move it. You can move it. You can put it. Excuse me. You can put that nearby. Okay, now we are going to work in a subtopic. Double click in the subtopic and make the same. Wait a minute, please. Okay. In the new subtopic, I put a title of application of the Prezi. You can say, for example, in a description, you can say you can use it to create different presentation of different topics in an interesting and attractive way, for example. Now we are going to talk and work in a new subtopic. In the other topic, I put the title application in the classroom. In this case, we can say that we can use to show attractive and interesting way different topics and interactive way. And furthermore, you can use it to encourage the students to use it in your different presentation. And in this form, it's possible that they understand a topic easily. Now I want to show you how to insert a video. We click in Insert Video. For example, it's needed that you paste the URL or the link in this record. For this case, I have here a video. Then I copy the link and paste here, and click in Insert. Okay, how you see, was faster. Here's the video, and you can reproduce. You can reproduce the video. Okay, now we are going to try to present, to try to make a presentation. Wait a minute. In the main page, we can put a style too. For example, this background is so beautiful for this presentation. Wait a minute. It's all okay. Here it is. Now I want to show you in a present. Okay, look at it. In this way that you can move into the presentation. Application. The next one. And the video. The video you can reproduce for Europe.
Hello everyone.
For Europe is good take into account if you upload a video of YouTube, you need an internet connection to reproduce it. Okay.
Everybody, welcome to a brand new tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to use a website called Prezi. And if you haven't heard of it, what it is a zooming PowerPoint presentation type deal.
Okay. Ready. Then this is the way that you can use this important tool to make different presentation, and where you can use in the classroom to encourage the students to understand easily the topic, and to use in your own presentation in the different words and the activities. Now I want to show you a presentation that I did previously. Wait a minute, please. Okay, for finish this video, I want to show you the presentation that I've already developed previously. And this is the main topic. We can see 3 subtopics, and you can navigate or surf into the presentation of this way. Here is a video. If you give click in this video, you can see it, and you can come back between these slides. Okay, it's a pleasure to share this video with you, and blessing. Bye.